Hello everyone, welcome to Lessons with Philip. And here today we have a question on the board. Follow me as we solve it together, alright? Now we are told that XYZ is an isosceles triangle whereby my line XY and XZ are equals to 6 centimeter and they are equal, alright? And my angle YSZ equals to 100 degree. We have to calculate the other side of the isosceles triangle. Let me draw the triangle, okay? Now, this is the isosceles triangle. All right. This is the isosceles triangle. Okay. Now, don't forget, isosceles triangle is a triangle that has two of its sides to be equal. Two of its sides are equal. And those two sides are called isosceles sides. And they have two other angles to be equal. Those angles are known as isosceles angles. All right. Now, in this triangle, we're told, let me name this triangle to be X, Y, Z. We're told that my Y, X, Z, which is this place, is equal to 100 degree. Automatically, if this is 100 degree, none of the angles will be 90 degree because the sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degree. So none of it can be 90 degree anymore. That shows that this triangle is not a right angle triangle. Remember that we can have an isosceles triangle that is right angle. Okay, we can have a right angled isosceles triangle. Okay, this is a right angle whereby these two sides are equal. All right, and these angles will be equal. So this place will be 45. This will be 45 degrees. So 45 plus 45 equals to 90 degree plus 90 equals to 180 degree. So this type of triangle whereby two sides are equal and they have a right angle, those type of triangle are called right angled isosceles triangle. Right angled isosceles triangle. They are isosceles triangle, but they have a right angle, right? But in this case, this is not a right angled isosceles triangle, but rather an ordinary isosceles triangle. Now, can we use a trigonometrical ratio? No. Why? Because it is not a right angle triangle. We're told that line XY is 6 centimeter and this side is 6 centimeter. If I've taught us sine rule or cosine rule, we'll have applied any of those two. But in this question, I can introduce my trigonometrical ratio as long as I can be able to generate a right angle triangle. All right. Now, if I bisect this line, don't forget in mathematics, anytime when you bisect a line, you form a perpendicular, which is angle 90. So if I divide this line through this angle, I will create a right angle. So if I say bisect line YZ through angle what? Angle YXZ. All right. If I bisect this line through that angle, automatically if I'm bisecting it, I'm defining this line and I'm dividing this angle. So if I bisect, I have something like this. And don't forget, anytime when you bisect, you have a right angle. Okay? Now, in this case, we have two right angles in the isosceles triangle. All right? Now, let's go on. That shows that I have this right angle. I have this right angle whereby I know this place to be 6 centimeter, all right? I know this place to be Z. I know this place to be X. I don't know this side. I can name this place M by saying represent. If I represent the midpoint of line YZ as point M. If I represent this point to be M, automatically this place will be what? M. So don't forget, I have bisected this angle. So this angle will be what? 50 degree. That shows that if you divide this 100 by 2, you get 50 degree. So in this case, I have a right angle and I have one side known and one angle known. So I can use what we call trigonometrical ratio. So which one will I use? Is it sine, is it cosine, or is it tangent? All right. This side will be what? This side will be my hypotenuse. Pardon me. Why is it hypotenuse? Because it is the side that faces the right angle. This place will be my opposite. Why is it opposite? Because it is the side that faces the known angle. Alright? While this place will be my adjacent. So what do I want to find? I want to find my side MZ, which is my opposite. So I know my hypotenuse and I know my angle. Which one talks about opposite and hypotenuse? And that is sine. SOHCAHTOA. Don't forget. SOHCAHTOA. That is the principle of trigonometrical ratio. Alright? Opposite, hypotenuse. Automatically, if I want to find this, I will use what we call sine. So sine of my angle, which is sine 50 degree, equals to my opposite, which is my MZ. My line MZ over line XZ, which is 6 centimeter. I put my values. Okay? If I multiply both sides by 6, if I multiply both sides by 6, multiplying both sides by 6, automatically, if I multiply both sides by 6, I have my hem side, MZ, my line MZ, to be equals to 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by sine 50 degree. Okay? So my MZ will be equals to 6 multiplied by, you can use your trigonometrical table, which is called four-figure table or mathematical table, or you can use your calculator. Please take note, when you're using your calculator to find sine of tangent or cosine of any angle, always display your answer, always approximate to 4 decimal places. So if I press sine 50 degree, it will give me 0.7660. All right, that's the approximated value. Okay, now my MZ, my line MZ will be equals to, now if I multiply that, 6 multiplied by 0.7660, that will give me 4.59596. That is centimeter. And I can approximate this. My MZ can be approximated to 5 centimeter. That is, if I approximate to 2 significant figure, all right? If I approximate to 2 significant figure, because this, if I approximate this, it will, no, sorry, 5.6 rather, 5.6 to 2 significant figure, that is 5.6. Now, I want to find my YZ. What will be my YZ? Don't forget this place and this place are equal because I divide them into 2 equal half. So my YZ will be equals to MZ plus my Y or MY, my line MY. And don't forget my line MY and my line MZ are equal. They are the same. All right? Take note. My MY equals to my MZ because they were divided into 2. Automatically, my YZ will be equals to 2 times 4.596. And that is equivalent to 9.192. All right, centimeter. If you like, you can leave your answer like this. If you like, you can approximate. You can approximate your value to be 9.2 because we have to display our answer in 2 significant figure. Let's approximate 9.2 to 2 significant figure. That is 2 significant figure. So my YZ, my line YZ equals to 9.2 centimeter. If you have found this helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my video. See you in my next class. Bye.